Hey guys, this is Miss Rayfield. We are going to go ahead and start our first unit for social studies. And this first unit is entitled Three Worlds Meet, Thinking Like an Historian. And we're going to cover some vocabulary words that are going to be very helpful when reading our social studies text, as well as any articles that I have for us to read, and different things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start talking about the vocabulary words, and then um, in a few days, I might have a little assessment for you to do based off those vocabulary words. So our first word is going to be history. History, of course, is the study of past events. This word goes right along with our word historian. That is a person who studies these events. And you are an historian as we're learning about these different historical events. Also, another word that we're going to have is a primary source. Now, this is information that comes from someone that witnessed an event. For instance, if Miss Rayfield was driving down the road and I saw a wreck happen, I'm the primary source. I actually witnessed that event happening. Next word is secondary sources. And this is information from someone who did not witness the event. So if Miss Rayfield saw the wreck happen and the police came and I told the police exactly what happened, they may be a secondary source. Our next word is chronological order. That's the sequence of events that in the order that they happen. So if Miss Rayfield's telling about my career in school, I wouldn't start out by saying I graduated from high school in 1997 and I started kindergarten in 1984. I would do those in the order of when it happened. The next word that we're going to do is going to be timeline. Now, timeline is going to be more like a picture of when of the events that happened. See if I can get this thing to go off. I don't know why this is not wanting to work for Miss Rayfield right now. There you go, diagram of events in the order that they happen. Okay, and the last word for right now is a century, which is a time period of 100 years.